students, this is Digital Electronics Lab. Today we design, the experiment name is Design 422 encoder circuit using basic gates. So first we do the truth table. As it is 4 input, suppose it is D3, D2, D1 and D0. 4 inputs and output 2 X, Y. So the combination is 0 0 0 1 1 0 1 1 to get. For each state, first state D0 is high and D1, D2, D3 are low. Second, D1 is high, rest of all are low. That is D3, D2 and D0 are low. 0. Next, 0, 1, 0, 0. That means D2 high, all are 0 and 1, 0, 0, 0. So from the truth table, we get the expression X and Y. We get two expressions. For X, we see 1 and 1, both are high, so it is D2 plus, for this case D2 high and for this case D3. This is the expression X equals to D2 plus D3. For Y, in this case you can see D1 is high, so it is D1 plus and D3. So X equals to D2 plus D3 and Y equals to D1 plus D3. As we see this is plus, so the gate will be OR gate. Now we design the pin diagram of OR gate. This is called notch. 1, 2, suppose this is OR gate. Next, second gate, this is third gate, this is fourth gate. Pin number 1, 2 are the inputs, 3 is the output. This is for first gate. 4, 5 are the inputs, 6 is the output for the second gate. 7 for ground. Next, 8 is the output, 9 and 10 are the inputs. 11 is the output, 12, 13 are the inputs, and pin number 14 for VCC. We know VCC equals to plus 5 volt for this IC, and the IC number is 7432. It is called quad 2 input OR. As there are 4 gates, so it is called quad. 2 input or 2 input OR gate. So it is the pin diagram of the OR gate. Next, we design the circuit as per the expression. You can see D1, D2, D3, and no D0 is there in the expression. So we take D1, D2 and D3. Suppose it is D1, this is D2 and this is D3. So for X, D2 plus D3. So both are going to a OR gate. This is D2 and D3. And the output is X. Next, D1 plus D3. So it is D1 suppose this is D1 and D3. So one connection from D3 and D1, both are going to OR gate. Output of the OR is Y. So it is the circuit of 4 to 2 encoder. Now we give the pin number. You can take any gate. We start from the first gate. It is 1, 2 inputs. So 1, 2 input and 3 is output. As we occupy the first gate, rest of gate, from the rest of gate we take any of the gate. Suppose 4, 5 are inputs and 6 output. So this is the circuit. So if you take 7432 IC, it is 7432 IC. So for this, to design this circuit, we have to check these two gates. If you take these two gates or these two gates, then you have to check the gates first. So from this IC, we check these two gates as per OR truth table. We know the OR truth table. OR truth table we know. Suppose A and B are the inputs and P is the output. So for 0, 0 it is 0, for 0, 1 it is 1, for 1, 0 it is 1, and for 1, 1 it is also 1. So we know the truth table of OR, that if any input is high, you can see these three. If any input is high, then output will be high. So we check the two gates, then we design the circuit. Now we design the circuit in analog and digital Tenor kit. So it is analog and digital Tenor kit. There are multiple connection. We only need two connection, that is plus 5 volt, this is plus 5 volt and this is ground. First we take the IC. This is 7432 IC. You see this cutting part. This cutting part of the IC is called notch. From the below of the cutting part or the notch, we have to count the pin number. It is 1, 2, 3, 4 up to 7, anti-clockwise 8, 9, 10 up to 14. So it is 14. We have to connect plus 5 volt here and ground to this point. This is 7. So first connect plus 5 volt to pin number 14 and then ground, connect the ground to pin number 7. Now we take 3 inputs. Okay. This first input, suppose it is D1. So as per circuit, see, as per circuit, D1 is connected to pin number 4. D1 is connected in pin number 4. D0 is no connection. You can see the circuit. D1 is connected pin number 4. So it is D1 connected to pin number 4. It is 1, 2, 3, 4. Next, D2. D2 is connected to pin number 2. Second input D2 is connected to pin number 2. So from the beginning it is 1, 2. Next D3, it is connected to pin number 1. This is D3 connected to pin number 1. Next you can see pin number 1 and pin number 5 are shorted. Pin number 1 and 5 are shorted. It is pin number 1 and this is pin number 5 are shorted. So now output. First output, that is X from pin number 3. Pin number 3, 1, 2 and 3. This is X connection complete. Next another output, that is Y. It is from pin number 6. Pin number 6. Before the connection, design the circuit, you have to check these two gates, then design the circuit. Now we switch on the power. You can see this is all are 0 mode. This is D1, this is D2, this is D3. D3 is connected to 1 and 5 shorted. Okay, now we check the output. So first 0, 0, 1. Okay, for now we go to the check. This is suppose for 0, 0, 0, 1, 0, 0, 1, 0. If D1 is high, Y will be high. This is D1. If D1 is high, then Y will be high. X is low. As the LED is glowing, it is high, it is low. Next, for D2. If D2 is high, this is second input D2. If D2 is high, then Y will be high. If D2 is high, then Y is X will be high and Y is 0. This one is 0. Now for D3. Now for D3, you can see for D3 both will be glow. X and Y both are glowing. So it satisfied the truth table. Thank you.